As you run the streets of Singapore's center, you will see all these beautiful churches and beautiful sights and sounds of early morning, tropical land. Lovely. Here I am. A church to beautifully revive my energy for a pause here and see the Christmas angels are still here with their flutes and trumpets. The birds are waking up. They're getting ready for the sunrise. Whoever opens their eyes, there's life to appreciate. Today and every day, you're alive. And to do that, you need to be fully involved with life, because there's no replacement or there's no substitute to being involved to know your life. You can study until you die, but you still haven't lived with involvement with your life. You simply haven't lived a life at all.